To help you shape your strategy for the year ahead, over the next 10 days, I will share 10 bold ideas for 2025 that will transform how we deliver projects. And starting today with the first game-changing insights. Deadlines are dying. Outcomes, not timelines, will define project success next year. By 2025, static deadlines will give way to flexible, adaptive goals driven by real-time data. AI and predictive tools will help teams to adjust timelines dynamically based on evolving risks and opportunities. The focus will shift from hitting deadlines to achieving measurable outcomes that create real value. This transformation will free teams to focus on creativity and problem solving rather than chasing arbitrary deadlines. Leaders who embrace this shift will set a new standard for success, fostering innovation and resilience in an ever-changing world. Our future project manager might be a digital twin. Digital twins will simulate the entire project in real time, predicting challenges even before they arise. These AI-driven models will automatically test scenarios, solve resource allocation conflicts, and craft risk responses. In 2025, managers will rely on digital twins to make smarter, data-based decisions faster. And this isn't science fiction, it's our competitive edge. Digital twins will revolutionize how we plan, execute, and measure success, eliminating guesswork and reducing costly delays. Integrating digital twins into our workflow will unlock new possibilities for efficiency, accuracy, and innovation in every single stage of our projects. Do not miss that opportunity. Geopolitics will reshape project risks. In 2025, political instability, trade wars, global conflicts, and other geopolitical forces may introduce significant risks project managers can no longer overlook. Volatility in supply chains, rapidly changing regulations, and currency fluctuations will add a new dimension of complexity to project execution. And these disruptions will ripple across industries, creating weighted uncertainty and forcing managers to anticipate challenges far beyond their immediate scope. And navigating this landscape will require a deep understanding of global markets, combined with the agility to adapt the strategies in real time. From sourcing delays to abrupt policy shifts, project timelines and budgets will face constant threats, making robust contingency planning not just important, but indispensable. This isn't just about avoiding risks. It's about building the resilience needed to succeed in an unpredictable, interconnected world. If our projects lack purpose, our future team might walk away. The rising Gen Z workforce won't just follow orders. They will follow causes. They will demand projects that align with values like sustainability, diversity, and equity. In 2025, project managers must connect deliverables to larger societal impacts. And this isn't just an HR trend or a business marketing tool. It's a new success metric. Purpose-driven projects inspire loyalty, creativity, and resilience in teams. Organizations that fail to embrace this shift risk not only losing talent, but also falling behind competitors who prioritize meaningful contributions. Having a clear purpose, it's not optional. It's essential for future project leadership. What if AI could sense our team's stress and help us fix it before it's too late? In 2025, emotional AI will be our silent partner, reading team sentiments through data like email tone and meeting dynamics. It will notify us of rising tensions or declining morale, offering actionable insights to intervene. Imagine catching burnout before it's a spiral, with AI flagging patterns even the most attentive managers might miss. And this isn't about replacing empathy. It's about enhancing it with data we never had before. By leveraging these tools, leaders will foster healthier work environments where teams can thrive. The best leaders will pair human intuition with AI precision to create resilient, high-performing teams. Maybe our next project kickoff meeting might happen in a virtual world. Mixed reality will revolutionize how teams collaborate by immersing everyone in shared digital spaces. Imagine solving design issues by walking through a 3D model together, even if our team is spread across continents. This level of immersion will not only enhance communication, but it will also accelerate decision-making by providing real-time visual context. By 2025, mixed reality will be the new norm for brainstorming, planning, and problem-solving. Forward-thinking leaders will use these tools to eliminate barriers, unlock creativity, and foster a sense of presence that bridges physical distance. The future of collaboration isn't just about technology. It's about enabling deeper connections and seamless teamwork. What if every stakeholder could see our project's heartbeat in real time? In 2025, project updates will no longer wait for weekly meetings. Real-time dashboards will provide instant visibility into progress, risks, and roadblocks. This constant flow of information will empower stakeholders to make faster and more informed decisions. However, it will also challenge project managers to embrace a new level of openness and adaptability. This shift will demand brave leadership, but it will build trust and accountability like never before. Transparent leaders won't just meet expectations, they will set a new standard for collaboration and innovation. And in a world of radical transparency, success will belong to those who turn visibility into a competitive advantage. Managing hybrid teams isn't enough. Leaders must become hybrid themselves. The hybrid workforce of 2025 will blur the line between physical and digital collaboration. Managers must master both worlds, building trust in virtual environments while inspiring in-person connection. Hybrid leadership means being fluent in both technology and human interaction, seamlessly transitioning between digital platforms and face-to-face engagement. It's all about leveraging the strengths of each environment to foster inclusivity, productivity, and innovation. Leaders who balance tech savviness with human empathy will bridge gaps and drive cohesive teams. The key to success is adaptability. Hybrid leadership empowers teams to thrive regardless of location or medium. And to lead in this area, we must be more than a manager. We must be the connector who unites the best of both worlds. By 2025, sustainability won't just guide projects, it will decide their destiny. Sustainability will no longer be a nice to have or a great marketing and PR tool. It will define project viability. Carbon footprints, resource efficiency, and community impact will become standard project metrics. These measures will not only determine funding opportunities, but also shape the public perception and the long-term success of projects. Different stakeholders will demand full transparency, making sustainability metrics as crucial as cost and schedule. Projects that fail to align with sustainability goals risk losing competitive edge and access to critical resources and funding. To meet regulatory and stakeholder expectations, leaders must measure and report on these factors. Integrating sustainability into our project planning isn't just a compliance requirement. It's a strategic imperative for resilience and relevance in a rapidly changing world. Act now to integrate sustainability into your project. It's no longer optional, it's essential for staying ahead. In 2025, the best project teams won't just adapt to change, they will thrive in it. Project teams will evolve into adaptive ecosystem where roles, tools, and strategies they will shift dynamically. Static hierarchies will fade and be replaced by fluid collaboration networks driven by the project needs. Leaders will succeed by empowering their teams to pivot seamlessly between priorities. The future of project management is flexibility. And for us to do that, we must build ecosystem and not silos. True success will come from cultivating a culture where collaboration and adaptability will fuel innovation and resilience. And this is the wrap-up of these 10 big ideas for 2025. I hope they have provided valuable insights to help you navigate the opportunities and challenges ahead. I want to wish you all a wonderful holiday season and a year filled with impactful projects, meaningful connections, and continued success. Happy holidays!